Hey guys, I'm going to show you something very interesting. I read in the news that my favorite news website is distributing malware. Of course, this is not their fault. Have you ever heard of Java drive-by download? It seems that hackers were able to inject the website with malicious Java code, and thus they were able to redirect and display fake warnings and trick people to download fake antivirus programs. Let me use Google to open the news website. I'll just type dailymotion.com. Go to the website. After a few seconds, I am automatically redirected to another website. The things that you actually see are fake warnings. Microsoft Antivirus has found critical process activity on your PC. You need to clean your computer and prevent system breakage. First of all, I am not using Microsoft Antivirus, but you might be tricked and try to clean your computer as this message is displaying. Actually, this message is not from your antivirus, but it is a specially crafted image so that it looks like your antivirus is displaying it. If you hit Clean Computer, you will be prompted to download a cleaning tool. I really want to clean my machine, and I will run the cleaning tool that my antivirus is suggesting. However, this is actually a fake antivirus dropper that will lock your machine. The fake antivirus program is called Windows Accelerator Pro, and it will automatically shut down your machine immediately so that it can hook the system. Let's wait until the machine is back up. As you can see, it loads even before the Windows and has started a scan. You should know that these alerts that it is displaying are actually fake alerts. If I try to remove them, I'll be prompted to pay. Under no circumstances put your credit card details. It will be stolen and can be used for God knows what. If you try to close the program, it will display "You can allow unprotected startup in settings." Right, at least this time the bad guys will let me go into my machine. Unprotected startup is unsafe for your private data. Yeah, of course it is. Immediately annoying pop-ups appear. Now, what shall I do? I don't know what damage is done to my system. I will try to uninstall Windows Accelerator Pro using the Windows Uninstall. Let me navigate to there. I cannot see it in the list. This is a very good proof that this program is not legitimate. The next thing I will do is to try to find its point of execution in the registry. As usually, I'll hit the Windows logo button and type regedit. Nothing happens. Let's try one more time. This time I'll run it as administrator. Nothing again. Let me try to kill the parasite using the task manager. You can open the task manager by right-clicking on your taskbar and select task manager. Nothing again. It appears that the malware is blocking heavily all the important functions of my system. It also continues to display fake messages. I will try to remove the parasite on the safe mode. To access Windows Safe Mode, you need to restart the computer and keep tapping the F8 button until this screen appears. If you see the Windows logo, you probably missed the spot and you will need to restart the computer and try again. I have already tried the options Safe Mode and Safe Mode with networking. So far no luck. The virus is still loading. My last option is Safe Mode with command prompt. Just wait until Windows loads. You should see the administrator console. Here you need to type explorer.exe. The Windows Explorer will be loaded and you should see the icons on your desktop. It is good that the virus is not loaded in here. It appears that it is loading instead of the Windows Explorer. Let me try to access the registry again. Perfect. Now I have access and I can modify the registry. First of all, I will check the most probable point of execution, and that will be the key. H key, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, WinLogon. There you go. The shell value is pointing to a suspicious file. I know from experience that it should point to the Windows Explorer. I'll go ahead and change this value. I crippled the virus so that it will not load automatically. Let's restart and see what will happen. I'll just skip until the Windows loads. Perfect. The machine is loading fine. You can continue to use the computer as I remove the trigger as explained in my previous video. However, if you want to completely remove the virus, I will tell you a secret. I will infect myself again and show you how you can remove it in no time. Please don't spread this knowledge as the bad guys might see it and close the opportunity. The setup program of the virus is located on my desktop. Let me run it and completely lock down my machine again. Okay, the virus is installed. I will restart the computer so the virus can take control again. The automatic removal I am about to show you is for people that value their time and money and quickly want their machines 100% operational again and fully protected. Let me speed the video until Windows loads again. There you go, the annoying pop-ups are back. Let me try to start something. Internet Explorer does not work. Also my other browsers are locked. Let's try regedit. No luck again. So, now my machine is completely under the control of the virus again. Here is the secret. Just open Windows Explorer, go to Computer, then local disk C. Navigate to Windows, locate the directory Help, then MUI, and then 0409. The target is to locate any file with extension CHM. Windows 7 and 8 have this directory, so you should not have a problem. Now double click on one of the help files. Right click anywhere in the window and select Jump to URL. I will jump to my favorite removal program. Just type http://enigmasoftware.com. Click on the green button and let the software does its job. It will find, kill and delete the pesky Rogue antivirus program, and it will protect you against any similar threats. There you go, Rogue Windows Accelerator Pro. After the scan is finished, your computer will be the same as before the infection took place. I hope that you enjoyed the video. That will be all from me for today. Take care and goodbye.